May talong pala ako.
Now they have funny joking. I said, I don't want that. I don't need that.
But my son visa is okay to go. My son has it's no problem. I mean, going on in the country is no problem.
There is some.
No, my son, Nathan. Yeah, my son. This my son. This is my son.
He's very young.
Congratulations. She ate a lot. Look. Oh. May talong pala ako. Hap ng talong?
Huh?
The eggplant's so good.
It's a dinner.
Tastes so good.
She's calling dinner to lunch.
Huh?
You say it's dinner. She say it's lunch, but it's dinner.
When did I say it?
You just say
No?
you're sleeping.
No.
You're tired.
I said it's yummy. That's not.
That's easy to pronounce. I'm a vegetarian. You know already.
No.
Yeah, I cannot eat. I can't. My body can't consume meat.
Why?
Karat-karat, uy! Ano? Nagbasahin talaga.
Sino? Ako?
May ano, pwede rin ng ano, pinagbalo ko ako.